My name is Krystal. I'm a care provider at ATMC. My position is helping residents by guiding them to make the right choices, to help them have a fun time while they're staying at the facility. My favorite part working at ATMC is the ability to see when they arrive and what kind of emotions. Usually they're very depressed, anxiety, and watching them go home and seeing the progress that they have made is the best feeling for me. The day of coming to the facility and working here, we come in, we say hello to all the residents, make sure to know where each resident is in their room, by the pool. And then we also help with deliveries. We have a delivery desk where you come and get your supplements, and we help guide you on taking these supplements. It's not just something that you just take automatically. We will tell you what it is exactly you're taking, why you're taking it. And then we also offer groups here. So during group, if you're having a hard time, you have one of us help guide you. We'll sit, journal together, we'll go play football together, we will go outside and play ping pong together. Something to help you smile again. That is our main goal, and my main goal as well, is to see you laugh again, smile again. Learn that you can have control of your own emotions without medication. Coming to the facility may cause a lot of anxiety and you may be scared, but once you get here, you have a lot of support and guidance, and in the end, you will see that you will have a success story.